read the pulses. We are more interested always in the yin organs. What did I say earlier? The yin tonifies the yang and the yang tonifies the yin. Yin works 24 by 7. So your heart, your liver, your pancreas and the spleen and the kidneys, these poor guys they never ever stop. वो ऐसा आधा मिनट का उसने ब्रेक ले लिया ना, तुम खत्म. Getting this? But all the yang organs, the small intestine, the gallbladder, the large intestine, or the colon, the stomach, they work for 3 to 4 hours and they stop. In a day, start, stop, start, stop. They do not hold any emotions. A masochist takes beautiful instruction. Masochist cannot think. All the yang organs are masochists. Okay? All the yin organs are where maximum energy is stored. Emotion is actually stored. Consciousness is stored in each of the organs. Okay? Each organ has its psychology. The left kidney is governed by your mother. Okay? The right kidney is governed by your father. You are the sum total of 72 generations from your mother's side and 72 from the father's side. वो चेन डीएनए चेन उतना ही उसका वेव फॉर्मेशन पैटर्न ऐसा ही है. 72. That is why in Nada Yoga also we say 74 fundamental frequencies, 72 in physical realm, 2 are upaswaras which cannot be itonated. Okay. So 72 generations from the mother's side and 72 from the father's side. किसी का भी memory, किसी का भी virtues तुम में आ सकता है. You are governed by the ancestral chains. Okay. Willpower is gifted to you by your father. Virtues, values, your essence, who you are, is defined by the mother. Okay. Now, if you have a strained relationship with the mother, or if your mother is a sadist, okay, then obviously you will eventually start having, as I said, 97% of the ailments begin from the kidneys or imbalance at the kidneys. Because that is what maximum yin also is. अगर वो एनर्जी सप्लाई थोड़ा सा कम कर देगा तो प्रोडक्शन कम हो जाएगा. प्रोडक्शन कम होगा तो इंटरप्रिटेशन कम हो जाएगा. इंटरप्रिटेशन कम हो जाएगा, you will start suffering that as a physical challenge or ailment. Okay. So the sadists in general you will always find also in the kidneys. They are the nurturers also, the carers also. But if you do not value their existence, then they will not stop valuing your existence. It will make you run dry, and that is why your body starts drying up. Okay? The moment you start disrespect or you start negating your mother and your father in your consciousness, okay, automatically, slowly, your body starts building those reactions inside out in you. Okay. So let's say you are holding. Let's say I'll share from what I had to go through in my own life in terms of challenges, where no matter how much I used to achieve, my father would directly just negate it because he would want more. I'm like, अरे इतना ही, इससे क्या होएगा? I'm like, अरे बॉस, 17-18 साल की उम्र में महीने का 3-5 लाख रुपया कमा के लाके तुमको दे रहा है, तुम साला साल का 20 लाख नहीं करते दे. ठीक है? You should value that. You should be proud of me. He would outrightly negate it. Correct? Which started as a very subtle tug of war. Over the number of years, it built into an all-out blown-up war. Correct? We Kachi Jain Banias have this in the bloody entire collective consciousness DNA chain में है. बाप और बेटे की नहीं ही बनेगी. बाप बेटे को negate करके ही रहेगा. Which ends up leading to two reactions. One, both the father and the son. The father starts going through psychosomatic disorders and the son start going through physical disorders. Okay? But that law of opposition is so strong, and yet there is an undercurrent attraction also. You are still anchored. It is a pathogenic relationship. Okay? Remember this word. Out of aggression, because now I am the masochist and he's the bloody sadist. Okay? Out of aggression, I will go out and overachieve. बाप ने कितना बना के रखा है? 5 करोड़, 10 करोड़, उसको बनाने को कितना साल लगा? 40 साल लगा ना? मैं 5 साल में निकाल के दिखाता हूँ. लाके ऐसा, it has to be like a tight slap. So the masochist wants to show it off to the sadist, but unconsciously also is seeking approval, appreciation, love, and affection. Correct? This is exactly what I ended up doing. I started my first business in 2002. When I was still in college. I was in the first year of college. I started at that point in time. In 4 years, I had expanded so aggressively, that it was beyond comprehension. At the age of 19, I had 300 ka staff. Okay, we had a turnover of couple of crores per annum. Profitability was at all-time high. We were industry leaders. Okay? And still, to my bloody surprise, उनको साला कम ही पड़ जाता था. Correct? He would always come back and complain. No, but you don't have control over expenses. Look at the balance sheet. I'm like, boss, what the hell do you expect? Okay. धीमे, one thing leads to another thing leads to another. From there, that law, that attraction, it has to either negate itself out, it has to run its course. The moment that happened, from being a masochist, the masochist collapses. Remember? Yeah. And so I also became the sadist. Okay. And when I became the sadist, what did I say? 2 sadists cannot survive in the same organization or the same group. Correct? So in 2009, we split up the companies. ये मेरा हिस्सा, ये तुम्हारा हिस्सा, 2 अलग प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनीज होगी. तुम्हारे ऑफिस का एक आदमी मेरे ऑफिस में पाँव नहीं रखना चाहिए, मेरे ऑफिस का एक आदमी तुम्हारा एक काम नहीं करेगा. You run your shit, I will run my shit. Okay. Slowly, obviously, शेर बूढ़ा होता है. ठीक है. That is how I evolved. ठीक है. When he finally retired by 2014 and he actually started appreciating what I had delivered, the first time and the first day he mellowed down and he appreciated a little bit. My consciousness completely changed. I'm like, अब मेरे को धंधा ही नहीं करना है. अभी अपने को रिटायर होके पैसा तो बना लिया है. रिटायर होके I want to do good things. I have learned so many things to come to this success. The idea behind turning towards spirituality was to attain success first. वो तो हासिल हो चुका था. उसका acknowledgement, appreciation, father जो sadist था उससे मिल गया. That chain broke. The moment that chain broke and I was a transformed person, I'm like, boss, मेरे को कुछ करने का जरूरत नहीं है. पैसा है. There is a valuable, system of which I am sitting upon in terms of teaching Nadi Yoga, teaching sound therapy, teaching Ayurveda, teaching acupuncture, running a clinic, and I can actually utilize my life in a much better direction. And so I ended up handing him over the business all over again. I'm like, अब आप तुम संभालो, तुमको ही संभालना था ना, तुमको ही चाहिए था ना, आप संभालो, ये मेरा हिस्सा, ये आपका हिस्सा. The day all that happened and how that equation came back to balance and harmony, everything between us became hunky-dory and beautiful again. The day I started the clinic in 2016, he was the happiest. Now I am really proud. I'm like, साला 20 साल बाल सफेद कर दिए धूप में घुमा के, ठीक है. And now you come back with that. But this is how pathogenic relationships play out. Find the pathogenic relationships in your life. Who is your sadist? Identify them. Resolve it with him. And it is definitely going to be the art of war. It is not easy. You have to play the game like cat and mouse. You have to go out aggressively. With my father, I used to go all out aggressively. We used to howl and abuse in front of a staff of 50 or 100. I'm like, ऑफिस के अंदर पाँव रखा ना, यू एंड आई आर बिजनेसमैन. बाहर रखा आप मेरे बाप, ठीक है, वहां पे पाँव छूंगा. अंदर पाँव रखा, आपने गलती किया, गाली तो सुनने को मिलेगा. This is how I have done. But it also resolves many things. It resolves karma's worth, so many so-called lifetimes worth. Getting this? यहाँ तक क्लियर है? किडनी यांग समझ में आ गया? That is father and the willpower. Okay? And your social image. The right kidney governs your social image, your willpower, and your relationship with men, father figure, husband, children, who are men. Okay? It is yang in energy. It governs these aspects of your life. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes.
I'm asking this because of personal experience. So this is such an important organ. Should you be donating? Should you be donating
No.
your kidney?
Sorry.
You should not donate any organ.
मैं नाखून भी नहीं छोड़ के जाऊंगा. Like, तुम्हारा देख लो भाई.
Because
No, sorry.
okay.
I understand. A lot of people are sentimental के eyes donate करो, organs donate करो. Yes, that is your personal choice.
I want to know why one and two because I have had known or read of many stories, real stories where people have donated their organs.
My mom has.
Okay.
She donated her kidney to her brother because both were gone.
Okay.
Within the family group
Within the family.
चलता है. Same virtues. Then they continue. Then they carry it forward.
Okay.
Okay. To a third person, no. Sorry.
और वो जब निकालते हैं,
Hmm.
since you explained right and left का significance,
Yes.
what should a doctor ideally remove from the donor?
लेफ्ट निकालोगे तो बाकी सब खत्म हो जाएगा.
I see.
Okay.
Your whole body is nourished from the left kidney.
So I'm assuming her left is intact and right was removed.
जनरली राइट निकालते हैं. डोनेट करवाना है किसी को तो जनरली राइट ही निकालते हैं. बट जिसका राइट निकालते हैं वो दे बिकम स्टूपिड. बॉटम लाइन, वो बहुत पेशेंट, इतने पेशेंट मैंने देखे कि पूछो, दे बिकम स्टूपिड.
By stupid, do you mean they
It is
will
not
develop
stupid, they just
dementia?
नो नो नो, दे बिकम डम एंड स्टूपिड लिटरली. उनको नहीं, बातें नहीं समझ में आती है. सी व्हाट इट इज. कैन आई रिमूव दिस?
Yes, yes.
ये यहाँ तक.
जरा फोटो ले ले. एचडी 1 मिनट.
हम्म.